This is Olobojo River. This river is very important for birding, and many of the birds, especially blue-tailed bee-eater, yellow wagtail, and many kinds of munias. So when you will come here, and you can try to find the munias, and I hope you will be success in your trip.